some denim from an old pair of jeans we had. Denim's supposed to work the best. And I got this little hole in this tin can. And we're going to set it on the fire here in a minute. I'm making this char cloth for another video I want to do. And I need char cloth for it. So I figured I might as well make a video of me making the char cloth. Anyways, we're going to throw this on the fire. Let it go on there for about a half an hour. I'll show you as it progresses. As we go through, out of the hole on top there will be smoke. Sometimes even like a blowtorch looking coming out the hole. That's the gases escaping. We are about between 3 and 5 minutes in. Smoke is starting to come out the hole. Starting to blowtorch out the top. Torch coming out the top. We're about 10 minutes in. Steady like a candle now. Right. I am pretty sure it's done, so we are going to go ahead and take it out of the fire and let it cool down for, I don't know, a few minutes. And then we'll open it up and see what we got. Alright, we're going to open her up now. Looks like it did its job. Looks like it's all charred. So in a second we'll check. Yep, it all got charred, so we got quite a little bit of char cloth here now. Now watch out for my next video, because in that one I'm going to show you what I needed this char cloth for. So thanks for watching, everybody. I appreciate it, and I hope everyone has an amazing day.